I want to ride dirt and camp, but I need something to take me around there. And luckily, Anyland sent me another bike. Alright guys, so we got another Anyland in the house. And there's something different about this Anyland. So it's not like the Rev Pro, which is this one right here. And it has all the same power, same torque, same everything of the Anyland Rev Pro, except it just doesn't have auto wheelie. Let's get to unboxing this. So I started by cutting these straps, taking the box off. Ooh, it's white, okay. After admiring the color, I took all the accessories out and put the bike on the stand. I then put the front wheel on, put the bars on, pegs, right, left, and then the kickstand next. After that, I put the fender on, the seat, comfy ass seat, and boom, that easy the bike runs. So now that I got it running, I want to take it off-roading, a little bit off-roading. So I've never really tried that before, and I want to see how it is. I bet it's gonna be fun. So we're there. Alright, y'all, we got the Anyland Rev 01 right here. It is ready for riding. I have it charged to 100. So we're gonna take this out on the dirt. Oh my, and I forgot to take this off. Let's rip these around and we'll hope that everything goes right. He's on the Rev Pro, I'm on the Rev 01. So the only difference about these two is that that one can wheelie by itself and this one can it's just a normal bike. And this thing's about 500 bucks more expensive. So this thing is definitely a really cheap bike and it still performs really good. And the good thing about this is that if you do want auto wheelie, you can always get the controller on the Anyland website and swap it out with this thing. So we're right next to this property right here. And wow. This is a nice area. So after we got to the place, we set up camp by digging a nice and flat spot. We picked up some supplies and transported it to our spot. What? Wait, what are we doing out here? Oh yeah, transporting it there. All right. Look at that beautiful sunset. Speaking about beautiful, we ran into a little problem back at camp. What?
This is as good as it's gonna get.
Where's the sticks?
No bars, bro.
So you know how tents have those sticks that go around? Apparently, we don't have it, so we're gonna have to improvise.
Oh, dude, what is this? Dude,
Hook this top part in, no?
this right here?
Yeah.
Okay, so like.
That is quite some protection.
Wait, this is actually tight. Yeah.
Yo, it's already breaking, dude. After we finally got that set up, we decided to make our own track around that area, and it was pretty fun. All right, ready? Go. So we got a pretty good start. Rev Pro on the right, getting left behind, under this tree, and into this dip, up this mighty hill. Thankfully, the bike makes it up. It has enough power.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh shit.
And then we go around this corner and reach this downhill. Ah! Not the bike. Go, keep on going. Ah! So that was a minor mistake. But it's okay though. I think we can still catch up, even though we're in last place. Look at the studio right here. We're already catching up. We just passed the studio. We're matched up against the Rev Pro. There's not wipe out here this time. Oh yeah. There we go. That's the Rev Pro.
Oh, this dude.
This dude is rattling so much.
I can hear it rattling from behind.
After that, we got some snacks and rations for the night. It's a pretty nice light. Right there. Oh my gosh. That's a fat lemon. Ground one or this one?
There's one right there in camp. You see that right under the right? That one? Yeah. Oh my gosh. It's a big lemon. Well, imagine being in the desert riding like this though.
After gathering the resources, we got ready to sleep. Let's put this camera jacket. That'll hopefully keep us warm and protected because it gets pretty cold at night. I'm gonna zip this tent up. We have the tent successfully built for the night. We're gonna see you in the next night. So right here, I woke up thinking the moon was the daylight, but it was only 2 in the morning. And I was getting pretty cold. Both of my friends are hogging the blanket, so I can't even sleep well. And there was a bunch of coyotes howling around like 30 feet away. So that was pretty nice. Alright y'all, it is 6 a.m. in the morning. And they're still sleeping right here. It's freezing out here and I didn't even get good sleep. That was quite the night, but it's a nice foggy morning and we're gonna ride the Anyland more as a reward for sleeping through the night. Alright guys, so this is the Rev 01. I wanna do a quick rundown of this bike. So the motor is 3 kilowatts with a peak torque of 160 newton meters. Also has a 48 volt 22.5 amp hour battery, so it will last you quite a bit. And it also has 3 speed modes. So alright, so we got the 2DO right here, the Anyland Rev Pro and the Anyland Rev 01. We're all the same weight, so there's not gonna be any differences here. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh yeah, look at this. The Anyland Rev Pro won the race and the rest of the bikes are neck to neck. So after all of that, I took the bike back to the workshop and we're gonna do a little bit of something to it. All right, so we got the Rev 01 back in the shop. It's quite dirty from the dirt, so I'm not gonna clean it. I'm actually gonna put the Auto-Wheelie controller into this. So if you ever wanna upgrade to an Auto-Wheelie controller, you can get it on the Anyland website. Let's convert this thing. So I got the bike on this stand, took the plastics off to get access to the controller. All right guys, we got the whole controller out. There is supposed to be a harness attached to this, which is all of these wires right here. Yeah, so at this point, I'm just yapping and I just went straight to installing the Auto-Wheelie controller and it is time to test it. We are on the Rev 01 again. Well, now the Rev Pro. This thing has Auto-Wheelie mode on now. So as you can see right here, 06 means Auto-Wheelie's on. Let's see if we can wheelie. I haven't wheelied in a long time, so I'm not sure. Like, oh yeah. Did something fall? I thought I heard something fall. Oh yeah. Oh, that's pretty challenging actually with the feet on the pegs. The torque feels nice though. It feels better than the Rev 1. Oh yeah. This is my feet down, so it's like, it's quite easy. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh. 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 Oh, that's so weird. I don't like it. I feel like if I had a full twist throttle, it'll be better. Actually, one good thing is that Anyland is releasing a full twist throttle. They have a full twist throttle ready, so I'm gonna receive that and I'm gonna take a look at how much easier it is to wheelie with the full twist throttle instead of this half twist. I guess it's not the bike, it's the rider, but it does make it easier for everyone else. Oh my. Hey buddy. Meow. Oh, let's see if the Anyland Rev Pro can beat a Surron. 2 second. Okay, we're gonna have a 2 second head start on a Rev Pro. 3, 2, 1, go. 0, 1, 2. Let's see if we can catch up. Oh, I think he's catching up. Oh, he's catching up for sure. Look at him. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, he's moving. Yo, barely. Yo. Okay. So on a flat tire too? In this video, we got another bike from Anyland and took it to camping and dirt riding We also replaced the controller with the Auto-Wheelie controller and tested it out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.